Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for the first one, make the sections from the front. Now take a small sections from the middle of your hair and pull it out nicely as shown in the video. Now braid it properly into two sections. Pull it as shown in the video and it's done. Next one, make two sections out of your hairs. Now take one section and make the front section apart. Braid it nicely. Now take another sections of your hair and join it with the help of a rubber band. Now do it properly for all the three sections. Then take the braid, start covering the rubber bands as shown in the video. Fix it from the bottom and it's all done. For the next, spray some water on the hair, comb it properly. Now make two sections on the front side. Now make the middle sections of your hairs as shown in the video and then tie it properly from the front. Now pull it inside it as shown in the video and make two braids out of it. Attach it in a shape of a heart and then it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one, spray some waters on your hairs, comb it nicely, then make a ponytail and attach a bow. Now take three sections of your hairs and start braiding it with the help of the bow cloth. Do it properly and nicely as shown in the video. Braid it till the end and it will look like this. Fix it from the bottom with the help of a rubber band and it's all done. Thanks for watching.